Hey everyone, welcome back to Double Days Family, where we're all about helping you to save you money. And you know we're all about digital couponing around here, easy digital couponing. Today is no different. I have one from Family Dollar Couponing using only one digital coupon. That's right, just one, super easy. So if you haven't done couponing yet, this is a perfect start for you. You totally got this, and you too could save a ton of money just using your cell phone. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's what you're going to end up getting. I have my receipt right here. I'll get into in a second. Let me show you the products. And first and foremost, I just want to tell everyone, whether you're new or old here, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for hitting subscribe. And thank you for being part of the family. You guys are all so fantastic. And I have so much to thank for all of you. Thank you so much. So here we have only 3 items is all I ended up taking, but you can mix and match. This week at Family Dollar, they have a $3 off digital coupon. That's right, when you spend $10 in any Febreze, Swiffer, or Mr. Clean pet products. That's right. So I ended up trying to scan different items in the stores to get different, just the ones that don't have pets, but it didn't work out for me. This is what you're going to use if you want it to work out for sure, like it did for me. And what I ended up getting was the Mr. Clean with the Febreze, and I mixed and matched, so you can see that you can mix and match also. So I grabbed 2 of these. These were marked at $3 at my store. Very simple, and they smell fantastic. Honestly, the Mr. Clean pet ones, they're just as good as the regular Mr. Clean. Maybe better. They might be a little bit more concentrated, so feel free to grab them. And I grabbed also these. I love putting these everywhere in the household. I keep one in the house and I keep one in each car so I could dust down the dashboard and whatnot. So these are really nice to have around, and it is the Swiffer Duster Pets. This was marked $4.50 at my store, so I went 50 cents over just because the only thing they had that was $2 at my store to be able to make it like a rounded 10 was the powder for the carpets, if you know what I'm talking about. So if you need that, go ahead and grab it. But these were $3 each, so $6, and then $4.50. So that's right, you're looking at $10.50. But you could do it any which way you want. Just look around the store for their pet products in Febreze, Mr. Clean, and Swiffer items. So here you go. Here's what you're gonna end up paying. So as you see in the receipt, they were $3 each for the Mr. Clean with the Febreze. And that Swiffer pet duster came out to $4.50, and I'm pretty sure that those are interchangeable with the basic dusters. So you could just change out the duster later on. And I got a $3 off digital coupon. There it is, highlighted. So it made my total a total of $7.50 before Florida state tax. So as you guys see, this is so simple. If you guys have not gotten your feet wet with couponing, maybe you've only watched the videos, grab this item. This is such an easy transaction. Just one coupon is all you need, clipped to your free Family Dollar mobile app that goes right on your cell phone. And when you go to the register, just enter your phone number. That easy. And it really is, ladies and gents, that easy. I know none of us have a lot of time on our hands, whether you're working, getting the kids from school, whatever the case might be. We just don't have time for things in this day and age. So you don't have to necessarily paper coupon if you don't want to, if you find it intimidated. No worries, you're on the right channel, because all we do here is digital couponing. Just using your cell phone, super easy, convenient, and fast, and it still saves you a ton of money. So if you're with me, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, subscribe down below, and turn on your notification bell to get notified when we upload bonus videos. We upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Make sure you check out our last video up here, and check out our channel for even more videos. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye guys.